Hotman, asiqhubekele ngaphambili, asingene kwezimnyama ngenkani.
Yeah.
Coach Owadu has been having a brilliant season, Lapa Orlando Pirates. Let's forget the 3 games that he's lost, because he's only lost 3 games ever since he took over Orlando Pirates. We see how he's been changing. I'm a player, le player, Mariam Spanela riding. We were complaining about it last time, Kulo show, but still must say Mariam Spanela, Elikin Manjo number 2, and he has 2 games in hands, which he still stands a chance of being number 1. Should he win those 2 games, he's probably going to be number 1. And Asaz, Maupegile, Coach Owadu, also shy history. A winning league, MTN 8, Carling knockout, Nedbank.
I think he can do it. I think it can be nice for him to have that after being knocked out of the CAF. Now there's a chance. Since he came in, Leo very guaranteed us. There's like Safun Kulum. I think the next season Sakela Eliki I blind I would we are sisibona phezulu MTN 80 badlale thina bazohlangana nathi finally.
Yeah,
because it's ours.
Yeah.
So now he has a chance, and I think now chance it's much inkulu than the former coach Ribeiro, because of I don't see Sundowns doing that well. But hence I'm saying Guti. Now still Sundowns is number 1, even though they are not playing well or doing well. So for if he win a Telkom League, Nedbank,
shy record. He's gonna go down as one of the greatest. Definitely.
Shy Ubambe 4. So hence I'm saying Guti is the chance is there, and he's been doing the coach has been doing well. Yes, we have been having issues to change Agakulu in, but it's working for him. And if it's working for him, it builds competition because of it's working for him. So when it works for you, we'll talk about it. But if it doesn't work for you, we'll say something else. But Manje, it's working for him. Yes, we might see for how long. And Jongoba Ushoguti, they have 2 games in hand. Those 2 games are not points, so they know how much Itaguti they have to play. But typically speaking, for Orlando Pirates, this is a chance for them to have the trophies that they need, and especially for me, especially the league, it's mentally, because of one thing about Sundowns, they don't play well, but they get the results and they know how to win. Hence, I always banklana nabantu, but no, very bucks. But let's be realistic. In right now we ask now ngizibambela ngabe manje ngibhejile ngasho ngathi draw 1-1 phume kanjani, not because of but right now njengoba ushilo mntu hayi chance yakhe mfethu athi lapha eSoweto nje kube ne spin imoto kuyenze, it's his chance and he's been doing well. I just hope he just keeps the momentum and also make sure that he keeps the changing room happy, because he is important kule league. Because if the changing room into one ban in the guys are not, then kula uzobona ukuthi we last month in besikhuluma Pirates, they are doing well. Manje they are tipping form. Right now he done lento lebe sikhuluma ukuthi when he came in those games lawa waluzile, he wanted to just ama player lawa masha sayiniwe manje abuya ama fan aqala ukukhuluma ukuthi hey coach phela ibengeke into emoshekile la, so just go back inyana laba bakho uzobafaka kancane, and that's what he did, and now he's getting the results.
Asibekelana no Jose Ribeiro, so far he's one of the most successful Orlando Pirates coaches in a very long time, because I think the most successful coach yagcina ngo Begu Krol no Palishos, because he bathatha ama treble back to back. So you look at what Jose Riveiro's achieved in Orlando Pirates, playing with young players, unknown players, reaches the semi-finals, CAF, winning MTN 8, reaches the final, Nedbank Cup, unfortunately loses to Imakesi in the opening fixture, Carling knockout. Then in comes Owadu, inherits a team, a solid, a very good team. Uyayichange le team le. Faka ama player wakhe amasha winner MTN 8. Faka ama player wakhe amasha, he's number 2 already in the league and it's looking likely that he might win it. Seka ku final they're calling knockout but uphumile ku KEF, which means that should he win the league then uyabuyela futhi next season ku KEF. You look at both coaches. You look at the reading of the game yabo. Rivero most of the time ebemsha game ebenchini. Imamelodi Sundowns ikamshafu one amshange bench because he couldn't win from the bench. Coach Owadu on the other hand Maumbeka, match reading yakhe is slightly different from Yagalona because Coach Owadu yakwazi ukuwina from the bench. Esikhathini esiningi game winner ngesecond half forward. First half angasha 1 or 2 Lukave. Look at what he did against Golden Arrows. Golden Arrows ithe mayibuye took Orlando Pirates 2 minutes bashaye igoli esithumfuke ngwangena created the last goal. Both goals scored by substitute. If you had to compare the two coaches, who do you think is better?
For now ngeke ngithi kumrate kakhulu thi ngimbona
Owadu
hawu Rivero la coach yenza ezinye izinto. Hence I'm saying he had players who are unknown besingamazi really omenza wayenza really kube that player ayiyo, and then he also introduced players, and then obviously the style of play. For me, it's too early but I liked Jens. He didn't win that much, but in terms of blending, in terms of the way his coaching style and everything, going to KEF, just losing slightly, I think because of mindset and the willingness of the players. You knew when you watch Pirates ngaye. So Owadu just came in, I think imbona kancane, and then sizobuya sibe nale conversation. I think imbona ngithi sabambenyana MTN 8 manje use finalini athi simbone azamafene ebhakaniya change much. So for me, the two right now, for me it's Rivero.
So for now Rivero is better than Owadu.
Yeah, for now ngithi sengimbonile he had more years, so kana figure, but I can see what he's trying to do. But also I think the we have to give credit to the Pirates management and time for having that, because even when the coach left, he said something, the coach, when he left, lo muntu engizonilethela yena uzozala nizombona kanti usilethela umuntu owaziyo ukuthi uhamba naye ngolayini. So even the assistants there, I think they are the ones also helping because they worked with Rivero, even though Owadu maybe uza a different philosophy or different mindset or the way yena sebenza ngakhona. Because for me, I think Rivero, he was giving more of opportunities to coaching the guys, and the other assistant Jacobs. So maybe even the coach, those also are the ones who are helping behind the scenes. We might not talk about them, but they're also doing a very good job. So, yeah.
Coach Owadu has this tendency of introducing us to a player. Mase sithi le player le exciting selthanda no Hugo Brusaka beka mehlo libeke benchini afake elinye player. Nalelo player sesithi selthanda sesibeka mehlo alifake benchini. Usibelebele. Season started, Usbelebele MTN 80, Usbelebele ukora magola important for Orlando Pirates during the weekly league. Usbelebele uyakora, he's playing as a wing, he's playing as a right back, like we're falling in love with the way he's running up and down. Gets a call up to the national team. Asimazi ukuphi manje. Cameron Denson uloku introducer kancane second half antwana shy cracker your goal against the Mamelodi Sundowns. So a lot of people are expecting, okay, let's see this boy. Give him another 2 games. Mbeke benchini sakamfaka as a sub. Thathu Mbule nenini uyamqalisa masisijabulile uyamkhipha nenini umfaka as a sub. Like uphi usibelebele, what's happening? Coach Owadu uzoyeka lento ukuthi asiphi player besalibeke benchini kwenzakalani ngaye kanti?
Akusho ufuna sibakhalele lo muntu lo, the way he's doing it, because as you said, I also belebele, and I was seeing maybe it's also competition, or maybe it's the way the coach works. I want you to ungathi baso mnandi, so ucabanga ukuthi you are all that, bese ucabanga ukuthi you are noma yini you can do, or you are guaranteed ukuthi you will always play. Ukuthi awuhlale kancane ube nehanga futhi ubuye ube nehanga futhi ube ubuye. You understand? Hence you are saying he's been doing that with most of the players. Even Sipho asimbonanga nge-downs. Didn't play nothing. Wonke umuntu absent. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukukhuluma. Next game start.
So unpredictable.
Yeah, he's someone who's unpredictable, and hence I always say it's working for him. So if something is working for him, and Nami I was like, yeah, Nali player, playing right back, playing winger. So now you don't see much of him, because Namanje, I think I saw Van Rooyen in a long time, and the So the coach, I think, is someone who wants to broaden the scope of his team, because we are always changing, but it's working for him. The thing as we'll have another conversation, but for now it's working for him. So hence you see them now and then. I'm born a national team, come back, does not play in the team. It's always so. Maybe now the coach believes that he has more depth, and the depth that he has, where I can make changes anytime that I want, and I'll still get the same results.
Let's hope he's umsebenzela for a very long time, because yangamsebenzeli yanazi nina. So basesilako ma social media ukuthi akahambe coach. Anyways, bafethu, you heard it yourself. Sibelebele maybe uno competition eningi or coach ibone ngathi mhlawumbe ikhanda bese liba ngaka ukuthi ukora kakhulu athathi ngeke ngikuphumuze ngidlalisa abanye abantu. Is it working really for coach Owadu, or is it even affecting the performance of my player? Because angeke size sazi. Please let us know what you think. Ngena lapha kuma comment section wena nolwazi tsibinkibe bolo sitsheleni ukuthi nina nicabangani. Do you agree with Sifiso? Maybe coach Owadu could win the league. He could win every competition ayidlalayo. Coach Rivero, is he still better than Owadu, or Owadu with those couple of games that he's played seems better than Rivero? Maybe when we bona ngenye indlela, because I say match reading aga Owadu definitely better than Naga Rivero. But give us your opinion. Usitshele ukuthi wazi ngathukani ntana ngathukani khuluma kahle masesithukana why so sihlangana estradini sishana ngempama silithanda lonke lebhola leli. But man, let's move on.